welcome to my third channel. Today, like last time I reviewed Code Red Mountain Dew, so I decided to do Mountain Dew Black Label. I've been wanting to try this for a while now. So yes, so I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna turn it this way. Oh, I don't know if you could see, but it's somewhat like a wine color. It's pink. So yeah. So I'll see how this tastes like. Okay. Let it calm down. Okay, let's try. That tastes like pitch black, but with like more grape or berry to it. It's good if you like pitch black. It's good. Sorry, the camera's moving. So if you like pitch black, you're gonna like this. So hopefully you enjoyed. Oh, and right now I am making a vlog as of this recording. So wait Monday or Tuesday because I have to edit. So stay tuned for the 4-day for the vlog. So peace.